made it to this section, I want to say a big congratulations to you because you are now an HTML expert. But to buttress some of my points, I want to make you understand some certain things that you should know. All right, then, my friend, this was the last thing. This is my playlist. Uh, this was the last thing we did in our last class, but I want to make you understand. So let me take this all out. So, for instance, if I have a div like this, and then I have a p element inside it, let's say p elements. So, what do you observe? You can see that this div is serving as a wrapper to this p element. I mean, this p elements is inside this d element. What does this thing mean? It means that this div element is the parent of this p element, while this p element is a child of this div element. This is a conclusion because I'm just saying all these things so that you can understand, because after now we'll be looking at CSS, adding styles to our element on our page to make it look beautiful. So this is a parent. If you look at the structure, it already has that invoked. So we have the body, and this body is inside this element called HTML. So this HTML element is known as the ancestor element, the ancestor of all elements. This body element is also called a parent element of this div element that I created, and this p element is a grandchild of this body element. So if I have something like this now, let's say I have section, and I have div, I have p element, and I say hello and p. Then I have an anchor element. Let's say an anchor element. All right, let me ask you a question. What does this anchor element mean to this p element? How are they related? How are they related? Now, the anchor elements and the p element, since they share the same parent, which is the div element, they are called siblings. They are called siblings. And this p element is their parent, while this section element is their grandparent. What about this section element and this div element above? Well, this div and this div, they are the same, but based on how their position is, this particular div element is a sibling to this section element, while this div element inside the section element is a child of this section element. So I want you to understand the family tree of HTML. This is how the structure is. It will help you to style your elements correctly. It will help you to know whose element is this and which element is a child of which element. That will help you. All right, then, friends. Thank you very much for staying up till this time. Please, I just want you to subscribe to this channel and then like the videos and then post it as well, and so you can get more updates from me. We'll be moving to the next course. If you are done with this course, we will move to the next course, CSS. All right, thank you very much.